Hey there, keyboarders. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we'll be doing a typing test of the Bakeneko60. Then I'll be applying what's called the Tempest mod. Then I'll follow that up with a series of comparisons to see what's the hype all about. You ready? All right, now I assume there's two groups of people watching this video. Those that have heard of the mod and they're just here for sound tests. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, use the timestamps down below. Fast forward to the various sound tests that you're looking for, and then you can make up your own mind on whether or not you think it makes a difference. Okay, but make sure you hit that like and subscribe on the way out. Appreciate it. Okay, if you're in the latter group, take the time in this video in between the sound test to actually apply the mod. I talk a little bit about what it is. Give a shout out to who I assume is the creator. I mean, it carries his name, Tempest mod. And then, like I said, we'll do some sound comparisons. So, is it worth it? For me, yes. There is a noticeable pitch difference for at least on my Bakeneko. I've also applied it to another board. I'll talk a little bit about that at the end. Okay, so stay till the end, my full thoughts. And for now, here's the Bakeneko with no tape. Okay, this is the Bakeneko60 with Gateron Black Inks on FR4. Some mods. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to try the Tempest mod on this, or tape mod, as it's called. What you do is you take some painter's tape. And you put it on the bottom of the PCB. Alright, Corn here. Just want to do a quick shout out to the creator or the genius, I assume he's the creator, Tempest. I've put a link to his channel down in the description, and his video is either here or here. But he goes into a lot more detail on what the mod is, what his thoughts were behind it, and then he applies the mod to a sexy 7V. Go check it out, but finish my video first. Alright, back to the video. I don't know. I didn't come up with it. But it's certainly making its rounds through the industry. That's it. And just that single layer of tape is supposed to make a difference in how the keyboard sounds. Okay, so now this is the typing test on the Bakeneko60 with Black Inks on FR4 with the Tempest mod. Okay, the mods. All right, what do you think? Could you tell the difference? Could you hear the difference? Okay, for me in person, there is a noticeable pitch change. Okay, one would even say maybe even more thocky. Okay, I like it so much, I've even put it on my other keyboards. I got a Palette 67 and then the Mark 65, and both has the same type of change. It's a noticeable deeper sound. Okay. So, should you consider it? Yes. This is a quick, easy mod, okay, non-invasive. You just put some tape on the bottom of the PCB. If you don't like it, take the tape right back off. No harm, no foul. All right, I really appreciate you making it all the way to the end of the video. Okay, if you found it helpful, hit that like button. While you're there, slide a bit to the right, hit the subscribe button. Okay, I'm still young in YouTube years, and I could really use the support. Okay, I really appreciate you hanging out. Just until next time, see you, keyboarders.